shopping at Wags and all these. One, you're gonna save a lot of money still here compared to normal, but let's give you an update here. 530. What's it say? 1.3 pounds, 533 a pound at $6.99. This is all the prices compared to regular grocery store. But check this chicken out. Watch this. Where's it at? Hang on. Organic whole chicken, $16 because it's $2.99 a pound. That little chicken is almost $17. Considering it's $10 a pound now for sliced chicken, you may want to think about that. Where did I see limit? There's limits here. Hang on. Just saw. That's why I turned the camera on. Hang on. Corned beef, $10.95. Where was it? Hang on. Rationing, I believe, in the old days. Take a look around. Looking for the fake meat. I don't think this store's gonna get it yet. How much there? How much is cheese? $7.99 for singles on there. That's alright. Lunch meat. I just want to show you lunch meat. I'll be out here. Where'd it go? Hang on. It should be around here somewhere. There we go. Lowest prices in Illinois. I've been buying here lately because you get a lot more for your money. I'll tell you that. So shout out to Aldi for now. A little light on dairy. See how that works? Orange juice light. Eggs light. This is all the eggs you get. 2 little stacks. Let's see, milk light. See how that works? Where's the lunch meat? Did I miss it? Yeah, there's so much going on I can't think lately. Where's the lunch meat? This is creepy. There's cheese. Wouldn't the cheese be near lunch meat? No. Do they not have any lunch meat? Hang on a second. I just bought some there the other day. I gotta be retarded. Where is it? Look at the people on here. What is the lunch meat? Am I missing the lunch meat? Really? No, I'm really confused. Another refrigerator? Oh wait, there's more eggs down here. Hang on. Yeah, I lied to you. There's one more rack. That's it. One rack at all these. See what I did? Stand by. I gotta find the lunch meat. There's here. Oh, here we go. No, this ain't even regular lunch meat. Like $4.49 for 6 ounces of ham lunch meat. There's no lunch meat. Here, chicken breast. They got one little thing. $3.39 a pound, or 8 ounces. So that's almost $7 a pound. $42 cents an ounce. $3.39. I like the number. So 16 times 42. You guys do the math. That's your homework for today. 16 times 40, and that's a discounted price. All these about half of what the regular stores are. So it's a good deal. But there's none left. Where's the meat? Lunch meat. There's 2. Oh, this is creepy. Wow, this is creepy. Buckle up, people. Godspeed.